Okay, so no one showed up to the Zoom, so we're just going to take you through the workout, and you can watch this recording a few times through if you want to repeat the workout. Today we're doing an upper body focused HIIT workout. So first we'll show you the exercises and then we'll go through a round with you. This is Emma. She is a personal trainer as well, and she is here with me to do the workout. So our first move is push-ups. We've done these probably a zillion times now. So I'll show you a standard push-up. You're gonna have your hands or your arms stacked below your shoulders. So you wanna make sure that your head is not like coming forward like that. Keep your head back, keep a good plank position. Now you can also do these on your knees, which is how I will be doing them. So same thing, just on your knees. A little bit of assisting. If that's too challenging, you can do a box push-up. So you can be more up, you're kind of getting into that tabletop position. Give you a little bit more support. We have jumping jacks, so just get a jump. If you don't want to jump, you can do like a side step and alternate. You have plank with a shoulder tap, so you'll get into the high plank position again. Tap either side. You can do it on your knees as well. We want to try and like rotate our hips as little as possible. So you're going to tighten your core. Otherwise, I'm like going like this. So try and tighten your core. Normally I do a voiceover. I'm like out of breath right now. We're going to do a scissor run. We've done these a zillion times too. So you're gonna like alternate which legs crossing over. And you can do this with your arms. Okay. We have bird dog. So you get your tabletop position, and then you're gonna alternate which arm and leg is lifted up. So we're gonna alternate each. So make sure you're squeezing your core. Go slowly with that one. That is not what I meant to grab. And then we're gonna do some arm circles. So hopefully we're gonna kind of burn out your arms towards the end. Nice and big. We don't want them like at the elbow. We want to like really do some big arm circles. And then that's it. So that's a round. Do you have any questions, Emma?
Nope, I'm good.
Do you want to do a warm up?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, let me move my camera up so you can see most of me at least. Okay, so warm up. We're gonna start side stepping and then we're gonna do arm rolls like we'll be doing at the end. And we'll just go 10 in the backwards direction.
I feel like a Zumba instructor right now.
And then we'll go 10 forward direction. All right, and then let's do some hip swings to open up the hips so you can grab onto a wall if you need it. Swing forward, backwards. Make sure your hips are squared to the front. You don't want to overextend in the back. Keep it nice and controlled. We'll do 10 on each side. And then let's switch sides. Same thing, nice and controlled. All right, once you've done 10, we're gonna squat to the ground, touch the ground, come all the way up on your tippy toes. I know you guys have done this once in your videos with Hannah, but we're gonna do it a little slower this time. We'll just do 10.
This feels good.
I know, right? It's a good way to wake up in the morning.
Wake up at 11.
Quarantine life. Okay, we're gonna go into a lunge. We'll start with our left leg in front. Hopefully you can at least kind of see what I'm doing. A left leg in front, take your left arm, or excuse me, right arm, put it on the inside of your leg. Gonna reach to the sky. Come back up. You can hold on to a wall if you need it. Go back down, reach the sky. We'll do this 5 times.
Emma, is our back knee on the ground?
No, it is not. Thank you for asking. All right, once you've done 5, come out into plank position to switch. Hold it for a couple seconds. And now we will switch. Right leg is in front. Left arm on the inside. Same thing, back knee is up. Again, if you need to balance, you can hold on to a wall or a chair.
Or put your knee down, I guess.
Yeah, put your knee down too. All right, last thing, after you're done 5, go back into plank position, hold it for a couple seconds. And we are done with the warm-up.